Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Simple Language channel. I hope you are doing well today. In this channel, we learn English in a simple and easy way. We speak slowly and use easy words. Let's begin.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Simple Language channel. My name's Mark, and I'm so excited to be here today.
Hello, I'm Brian, and I'm happy to see you all. Mark, are you ready for today's lesson?
I am always ready, Brian. But first, I need to ask you something. Did you sleep well last night?
Oh, yes, I did. I went to bed early. How about you, Mark?
Me too. I love sleeping. Sleep is my favorite hobby.
Your favorite hobby? That's funny. But today we have a different topic.
Yes, you're right. Today, we are learning simple English for beginners. Very easy phrases for A1 and A2 students.
Perfect. Our listeners are just starting their English journey, so we will keep it simple and clear.
Simple is good. Simple is smart. When you start learning, you don't need difficult words.
Exactly. You need the words you use every single day, at home, on the street, in a shop.
I agree. But Brian, before we begin, let's tell our listeners something important.
Oh, yes. Everyone, please give us a like if you enjoy this podcast.
Yes, click that like button. It makes us very happy.
And don't forget to subscribe to this Simple Language channel. We make new lessons every week.
Share this with your family and friends too. Learning together is more fun.
Okay, Mark, now I'm really excited to start. What's our first topic?
Let's start with the basics. How to say hello.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. These are the classic ways.
Yes, but when do we use each one, Brian?
Good question. Good morning is from when you wake up until 12 o'clock.
So until lunchtime.
Exactly. Good afternoon is from 12 o'clock until about 6 o'clock in the evening.
And good evening?
Good evening is after 6 o'clock when it gets dark.
What about good night? When do I say that?
Good night is special. We don't use it for hello. We use it for goodbye when someone is going to sleep.
Ah, I see. So I say good evening when I arrive at dinner and good night when I leave.
Perfect. You understand it now.
What about just saying hi?
Hi is wonderful. You can use hi anytime with friends, family, or people you know.
Hi is my favorite. It's short and friendly.
Mine too. And you can also say hey to close friends.
Hey, Brian. Like that?
Exactly like that. But hey is very informal, so don't use it with your teacher or your boss.
Got it. Hey for friends, hello for everyone.
Very good, Mark. Now what do you say after hello?
I can ask, how are you?
Yes, how are you is perfect. And what's the answer?
I'm fine, thank you. Or, I'm good, thanks.
Great. You can also say, I'm okay, or not bad.
Not bad? That sounds a little negative.
It does sound negative, but in English, not bad actually means pretty good.
Really? That's strange.
English is full of surprises, Mark.
I'm learning something new every day. Okay, so after I answer, what do I do?
You ask them back. You say, and you, or how about you?
And you. That's simple.
Yes, it shows you care about the other person.
I like that. So the full conversation is, hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm fine, thank you.
Perfect conversation. You're a natural, Mark.
Thank you, Brian. Now let's talk about introducing yourself.
Good idea. When you meet someone new, what do you say?
I say, my name is Mark.
Excellent. Or you can say, I'm Mark. That's more casual.
I'm Mark. Yes, that's easier. And then,
You can ask their name. You say, what's your name?
what's your name? Simple question.
Yes. And they will answer, my name is, or I'm.
And after they tell me their name,
You say, nice to meet you.
nice to meet you. I hear this all the time.
It's the most common phrase for meeting new people. Remember it.
I will. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Good. Practice makes perfect.
Brian, what if I want to know where someone is from?
Great question. You ask, where are you from?
Where are you from? And the answer?
I'm from, and then you say your country. I'm from Canada.
I'm from Brazil. I'm from Japan. I'm from Egypt.
Perfect examples. You can also ask, where do you live?
Where do you live? That's different from where are you from?
Yes. Where are you from is about your home country. Where do you live is about your city now.
Ah, so I can be from Mexico, but I live in London.
Exactly. I'm from Canada, but I live in New York.
This is very useful. I understand now.
Good. Now let's talk about polite words. These are very important.
Please and thank you.
Yes, those are the magic words of English.
My mother taught me these when I was a child.
Your mother is a smart woman. Please is for when you want something.
Can I have water, please?
Perfect. And thank you is when someone gives you something or helps you.
Thank you very much.
You can also say thanks. It's shorter.
Thanks, Brian.
You're welcome, Mark.
You're welcome is the answer to thank you, right?
Yes. Or you can say no problem.
No problem. I like that one. It sounds relaxed.
It is. Young people use it a lot.
What about sorry? When do I use sorry?
Sorry is for when you make a mistake or when you want to be polite.
Like if I step on someone's foot?
Yes. Oh, sorry. Or if you didn't hear someone, you say sorry with a question tone.
Sorry? Like asking them to repeat?
Exactly. It's polite and very common.
I will use that. Sometimes people talk very fast.
We all have that problem. Don't be shy to ask.
Okay, please, thank you, you're welcome, and sorry. Got it.
Wonderful. Now, Mark, let's imagine you're in a restaurant.
Ooh, I love restaurants. I'm hungry now.
Me too. Okay, you sit down. The waiter comes. What does the waiter say?
Can I help you?
Yes. Or are you ready to order?
And I say, yes, please.
Good. What do you want to eat?
I want... Wait, is I want polite?
I want is okay, but I would like is more polite.
I would like a sandwich, please.
Perfect. Very polite, very nice.
And for drinks?
Same thing. I would like a coffee, please.
I would like orange juice, please.
Excellent. And at the end, you want to pay.
I say, can I have the bill, please?
Yes, or check. In American English, we often say check.
Can I have the check, please?
Perfect. And when you leave, you can say, thank you, have a nice day.
Have a nice day. That's so friendly.
It is. People love hearing it.
I'm going to say it all the time now.
That's the spirit, Mark. Okay, let's talk about shopping.
Shopping. I like buying new shoes.
Shoes are great. So you see shoes you like. What do you ask?
How much is this?
Perfect question. How much is this? And they tell you the price.
It's $50.
And if you want to buy it,
I'll take it.
great. Or you can say, I'll buy it.
What if I want to try the shoes first?
You ask, can I try these on?
Can I try these on? That's useful.
Very useful. And if they don't fit?
They're too big or they're too small.
Exactly. Do you have a different size?
Do you have a different size? Oh, that's a good question.
You can also ask, do you have this in blue if you want a different color?
Do you have this in red? I love red.
Red is a beautiful color. Okay, Mark, let's practice one more situation.
Okay, what situation?
You need help. You're lost on the street.
Oh no, I'm lost.
Don't panic. You see a person, what do you say?
Excuse me?
Perfect start. Excuse me gets their attention politely.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
Excellent question. And they might say, it's over there, or turn left.
Turn left, turn right, go straight?
Yes, those are directions, very important words.
What if I don't understand?
You say, sorry, can you repeat that?
Can you repeat that? Or can you say it slowly, please?
Yes, both are perfect. People will help you.
That makes me feel better. I'm not scared now.
Good. Don't be scared. Most people are kind.
And after they help me?
You say, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. You're very kind.
Beautiful. You're learning fast, Mark.
I have a good teacher. You're making me blush. Okay,
Let's talk about some very short, useful words.
Short words?
Yes, like yes and no.
Everyone knows yes and no.
True, but there are other ways to say yes.
Like what?
Yeah, yep, sure, okay, all right.
Yeah is very casual, right?
Yes, use it with friends. For formal situations, use yes.
And for now?
Nope, not really. I don't think so.
Nope is funny. It sounds playful.
It is. Language can be fun.
What about maybe?
Maybe is perfect when you're not sure. Maybe I'll go to the party. Maybe it will rain.
Maybe I'll study English tonight.
I hope you do. Okay, Mark, we're almost finished.
Already? Time goes so fast.
It does when you're having fun. Let's do a quick review.
Good idea. So today we learned greetings like hi, hello, good morning.
Yes, and questions like how are you and what's your name.
We learned polite words, please, thank you, sorry, excuse me.
Don't forget restaurant phrases. I would like, and can I have the bill, please?
And shopping, how much is this? And can I try these on?
Perfect. And asking for directions.
Where is? Turn left, turn right, go straight.
Excellent. You remembered everything.
That's because you explained it very well, Brian.
Thank you, Mark. But remember, everyone, practice is the most important thing.
Yes, use these phrases every day. Talk to yourself if you need to.
Talk to your mirror, talk to your cat, talk to your coffee.
I talk to my plant sometimes.
Does it answer?
Not yet, but I'm still trying.
Keep trying. One day it might say hello back.
I hope so. Okay, everyone, we need to say goodbye now.
Yes, but before we go, please remember to like this video.
And subscribe to the Simple Language channel for more easy lessons.
Tell your friends about us. Learning together is better.
And practice, practice, practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn. They're your friends.
Okay, Brian, time to say goodbye.
See you next time, everyone.
Have a wonderful day. Keep learning, keep smiling.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.